In this video, I'm going to show you how to journal trades on MyFxBook. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to myfxbook.com and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. After that, go ahead and click on your profile icon top right and click on Settings. In here, inside Settings, you want to go to the Accounts tab, which should be the first one, and then you have to basically add in your account. So, to be able to journal trades, you have to add your account you would like to basically journal. So, click on Add Account. Then you have to select what you're using, so whichever platform you're using, you can go ahead and see here, there's like MT4, MT5, CTrader, some more of them as well. And then, of course, I usually just go for MT5, and it's up to you if you want the live update, which you're going to have to pay, I think, $5 a month for. You can go ahead and use the EA, where you have to install something inside your MT5 on your computer, or which I usually use is the MT5 Auto Update, which is the easiest to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and select MT5 Auto Update. And then here you don't have to basically sign in. So you have to give it an account name. This can be anything. It's going to show it. As you can see here, I have, for example, my portfolio. I have a test account. I named it test. Then you have to give it a name. You have to give it a broker. So for example, let's say you're using Pepperstone or something. You want to look for Pepperstone, or of course, this can be any of them on the list. Then you have to select the server. Usually, once you create your account, either a demo or a real account on any of these brokers, you will get your sign-in credentials onto your email or just directly inside the broker accounts section. Like me over here, as you can see, I have my trading accounts, and here I have a demo account on Pepperstone. So I got the login info for MT5, so the credentials on my email whenever I created this, and then I just went over here. You have to put in your account number. You basically just paste this from your email, as well as the investor password and the server. All of these are going to be available inside your email once you receive that. And then you want to click Create Account. It's going to start loading for a few seconds, and then your account will be created. After you have that, you'll be able to access it up here under Portfolio. You can click on your account, and then you can go ahead and start journaling trades. So here you can see a bunch of different things. Whenever you actually make a trade, it's going to show over here. It's going to automatically journal. You can go down here. You can see the trades, your summary, and everything like that. You can even view your open trades, your open orders, your history, and stuff like that. So this is how you can actually journal trades on MyFxBook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.